There's a good one. It's about a 2-pounder on the Pompadour. Nice fish. Not bad. Smacked it. Oh, there's one. Right when it hit the water. Swimming right towards me. Oh yeah, that's a good one too. Man, hell of this. They are crushing it. They do not like this out of this. It's about a 1-pounder on the Jackall Pompadour and bluegill out here in Florida fishing. Just little golf course ponds. Visiting my grandpa out here. And just seeing if I could catch a big one. It's night. It's about to get dark. Throwing this Pompadour that I picked up right before I left New Jersey. See if I can't get a big one on it. There's one right as it hit the water. A decent one. These little ones always put up a fight. Come on. About a 1.5-pounder on the Pompadour. Not bad. Hit it as soon as it hit the water. Just throwing that bluegill pattern Pompadour. One more try. There he is. Another 1-pounder. On the Pompadour.